Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get a virtual number for Telegram. So a virtual number for Telegram, it's like a phone number that's not linked to your SIM card. You can use it to sign up for Telegram, create extra accounts, or stay private online. But take note, not all free numbers work on Telegram, but I will show you the best working methods. So with the help of ChatGPT, you can go to ChatGPT and ask the same question, like what I'm showing you right now. So you can ask best free virtual number sites for Telegram verification, and ChatGPT will suggest top free websites that sometimes work. So all you have to do here is to review and select that specific website that you want to try. So for example, if you're looking for free, then you have to select from any of this. You can copy and then paste it to new link tab. And then what you're going to do here is you have to go to Telegram sign up and then use this number. But take note, if this number, it didn't work for a long time. Like as you can see, if you have see something like last received SMS like 1 month ago or 2 weeks ago, then do not use this number. For example, this one right here. So what we're going to do is we have to go back to ChatGPT and then look again for another site. So copy and then paste. And then again, we're going to look for a free number right here. So you can choose from any of this. All you have to do is to copy the number and then paste this to Telegram when you try to sign up for Telegram. So it will ask you if you want to sign up using email or phone number. So if you tap on this login with phone number, you have to paste the phone number that you have copied earlier from the specific website. So basically, what you're going to do now is that you have to go to that specific website to copy the code. You will see it below. For example, if you're going to copy the number, paste it right here, and then proceed. And then you have to wait for the code, go back, wait for the code, and then paste it right here. Now you can create a Telegram account using this virtual number. However, if this didn't work, then you have to go and try again another number. And I also want to highlight that you can try multiple numbers if what doesn't work. So Telegram blocks some free services. So I cannot guarantee that this one work or the other one. You just have to try and try till you get that specific number that will help you create your Telegram for free. So you have to also think that these numbers are public and can be used by others. So sometimes Telegram may block repeated or suspicious signups. So these are the best methods only on how to get virtual number for Telegram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.